I just thought I'd do a little video on this bumper repair for the Citroen Relay. I tried to order a new one, but they're on back order to never. They've got none in the country or in the group. And also the price of it is ridiculous. Nearly £300 for basically a plastic mould. So yeah, we're repairing it. What I've done is I've soldered, that piece was completely hanging off, so I've soldered that back on where this is cracked. I've melted it back with the soldering iron. It's very strong. There's a piece missing. I've melted a piece of fiberglass to the piece of mesh to the back, and then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use some plastic bond to make that missing piece up. The actual arch actually covers the majority of it, but still want it nice and strong and repaired. And then along the crack, I'm going to basically hot staple it to give it strength from the outside. I'll just show a couple of them going in. You basically press this till the plastic gets warm. Might help if I turned it on. Try again. You just melt it into the surface of the plastic, that sort of halfway. Let go. Let it set. Just do another one. Let it cool down before pulling the tool off the thing. So yeah, I'm going to staple all the way along the crack, so that'll make it extra strong, and then we grind these tips of the staples off, and then we're going to fill it. Obviously we'll have to retexture it to match, but yeah, it's well worth saving considering the customer can't get one. Happy days.